Okay guys, I'm in my Audi A6, and one of the reasons why I love Audi so much is because it's like they think of everything, literally. So other Audi owners, as you know, in the glove box there's a valet function, right? But to properly use your valet function, you press that button, right, and you lock your glove box and you lock your back seats and stuff right there, right? But to do that, you need to press the button on the back of your key, right? Take it out, use this to, lock your glove box and lock your back seats. And this is the valet key. This is the valet key, right? But this right here is a special key. This is your emergency key. So if you don't have your keys, God forbid anything happens to your keys, if you don't have any batteries, the batteries fall out or something, right? You can use this emergency backup key to start your car. And all you need, say you don't have your keys, right? I'm gonna put the keys out the vehicle. Put it right there. I have nothing, sorry. I have no better way to improvise, but once you do that, say you don't have your keys, right? Let's try to start the car. We're gonna try to start the car. Sorry for the mess. The car won't start. You see? It says key is not recognized. Hold back a key against mark sense, right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hold the key to the back of the thing. Oh, see? Once you put it already there, everything starts turning on. Like, this is so amazing. And hold on, let me set this up. And just like that, the car turns on with a plastic key. Like, Audi really, they just think of everything. And this is a 2013 A6.